Good morning. It's the last day of section 6. I've just lit the fire to cook myself a nice French toast, I think, this morning. And I need it to burn down to coals, so just chilling out, watching the fire. I've only got just under 8 kilometres to paddle into Morgan today, so a nice cruisy two hours down the river. It's very overcast today, as you can see. Yeah, it's one of those weird, silent, dark days that we don't get many of. Normally the dark days are quite windy. Okay, so the fire has burned down to coals. Just going to pour that over. Okay, beautiful French toast, eaten on the roots of an old gum tree on the banks of the river. Yep. Well, that was cool. I was just about to take all of my gear down to the boat and a little flock of apostle birds came in and checked out the campsite. They're obviously used to waiting till the tent's down, and that means they can come in for food. I didn't leave any food out for them. That was obviously the houseboaters that were here the night before that have left that enormous fire pit that was still warm but out. Okay, well, time to carry everything down to the river. Yay. And then we can start paddling, which will be the good bit of the day. Okay. It's fairly busy today. I've already had 2 houseboats pass me. There's another one just over there. So it's trying hard to be a nice day, except for the clouds. There's no wind. It's a lovely, gentle river. Calm, quiet. Now the sun needs to come out. How's this for making nature work for you? All lock health and safety with the safety rope around. Brilliant. So there are a lot of houseboats along this stretch of the river. Some of them have made some very nice little riverfronts for themselves, with lawn or sand or, as you saw, an unusual fishing spot. I suspect we're going to see more human influence along the river as we head down. It's a little bit sad that the river's not quite as native or natural as it was, but you know, it has to coexist with people. So If people value it, then they look after it. Well, I'm at the bend just before Morgan, so I've probably got, another kilometre or two to go. These lovely cliffs are causing the bend. So I've turned the boat around so you can see this. I'm heading that way. But I believe that is the Adelaide water supply offtake. So have a look when I get closer. It's pretty impressive. From the river, it takes water out to our populated areas in South Australia. So it's a pretty big operation. It's very neat. Nothing like the irrigation offtakes that you see along the river. Well, there you go. First time I've seen it. Very institutional looking. Been an interesting 4 days. This section of river I'd never seen before from the river, and it's been a bit eye-opening. I didn't realise there was anywhere near as many riverside dwellings as there are along this stretch. So the weather hasn't been wonderful for these 4 days, but it is turning into a lovely day. So it'll be a nice drive home.